Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Chat, and today I'll show you how you can create your very own interior pages in BOOKBOLT. For those of you who don't know what BOOKBOLT is, it's a low-content publishing software. So if you're doing Amazon KDP or you're doing low-content books, you can use BOOKBOLT for researching keywords, creating interiors and covers, and so much more. If you're interested, I do have a tutorial on how to create covers for your KDP books using BOOKBOLT as well. I will put the link in the description, and let me show you a quick tour on BOOKBOLT and what they have in store for us. So now I'm on bookbolt.io, and this is their homepage. So you can start for free, and they have all this puzzle and activity book generator. You can create all of this, and you can also find category for your KDP. They have the Interior Wizard and Interior PDF Combiner Pro, and they have lots of things that you can use for your KDP low content books. So you can create cover, interior design. They have the editor that you can design your interior pages, or you can create your interior pages. And they have free fonts, free images, and patterns. You can create puzzle books, activity books, mix and match your interior files. You can sell unique books that customers actually want. They also have tutorials if you want to learn more on how to use their software. All right, so with that out of the way, let's get started. So now we're in BOOKBOLT Designer, and on this side, on the left side, we have all these tools that we can use. There's product, the text, and the images that you can use, the shapes. All right, so and this here is our layer section and the effects that you want to use, and there's also mask. But for now, let's keep it really simple. So first you have to go to product, and then you can change product. Just click on this one and choose your template. And since we're doing interior, let's select interior, and then the trim size, whatever trim size you want, and then the page count, how many pages that you want for your low content books. And it will be no bleed or bleed, and then click on submit. Since I already have it here, I'll just use that, and I'll just zoom it for you so it'll be easier to design. So this is 6 by 9 and 30 pages. So all we have to do is design within this white space over here, because this is the margin, and this blue line over here, this blue part over here, will be your spine. So let's start designing. So I'm just going to go to text and choose whatever text font that you like, or you can load more or even upload your own font. So just use this, and then click over here to do today. Let's do a daily planner. Okay, and I'll just click on auto snap here, and it's already on. Then I'll go to shapes, and I'll use this. So just remember that this isn't like InDesign or Affinity Designer that easy to manipulate, but it's easy enough to actually learn this one. So this is our box, and have to change color to just white. You can also use the advanced SVG editor. So if this one here, we can have stroke, and I can add whatever stroke color that I want. So I'll just do that. Okay, and then click that. So I'll have this stroke over here. So I'll go to text again. Okay, I'll just do this. Priorities. And then I can turn it like this. Let's make this bigger. Okay. And you can also change the color or the justification. Here is the color. I'll just leave it at that, and then go to shapes again. I'm going to use this line. There's not so many elements that you can use like a table or something here, but this will do. And if you want this a little bit thinner than it already is, you can always do this, and then you can change the color over here. So maybe that is here, right there, and I can duplicate it by clicking on this one. So if you click on that, here it is, and I can always do it like this and duplicate this again. This is what auto snaps do, and then duplicate this again. So you just have to eyeball it. We don't have the alignment like in Affinity or in Canva, for example, but that's okay. Okay, there you have it. You can always undo the last thing that you just did by hitting Command or Control Z. So I want to duplicate this. Now set notes, make it smaller. I want to duplicate this also. This is just a very simple daily planner. The notes text is below this element. All I can do is arrange layers and I can send it to back. Now I can see my notes. All right, then I can duplicate this. Let's say appointments. Put it here. Okay, let's duplicate this. Right, can duplicate two of those and this one over here. Okay, then I'll let it go against the shapes. Let's zoom it in. Change the color to white, and I can highlight both and then duplicate them. So I'll have two already, and duplicating it one by one. So there you have it. Alright, so once you're done with your design and you're satisfied with it, just highlight everything, select everything, and then just duplicate this. There you have it, and just drag it across. There you go. And for this one, just highlight everything. Just make sure that they're all aligned, you know, the elements on each page. Alright, so just make sure that everything's aligned, and I know this isn't that aligned, but for the sake of this tutorial, not make it so long, we have this already. So once you're satisfied with your design on both pages, because you can do a different one here, you can just put a notes section over here. So when I'm done with it, I just go to download, and when it says your design is ready to download, and just click on download. So here is your daily planner. So here's the daily planner that we just created. So yep, that's 30 pages, and you can download it directly and upload it to your KDP account. And that's all for now, and I hope you've learned something. And if you're interested in getting this software, just follow the link in the description. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, and click that notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye!